Hey everybody, John from Old Reading Farm here. Thanks for joining us. Today, I'm going to show you how we turned this slab of log into this. So I'm also going to use these found materials recycled to the nth degree into a little base for it. Let's get to work. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is take off the bark because it's already off of some places and it falls off super easily, so we want to get that out of there. So we got all the bark off and we got it pretty smooth. Time to start building the leg. Okay, so after a tiny little bit of Googling, the average coffee table height is 18 inches. So that's what we're gonna make ours at, because it's just gonna be kind of like a little doodad for outside. So I'm gonna use a 4x4 for the post and then 2x4s to make the feet out from there. So one thing I almost always forget is to account for the other boards in there. So basically I'm going to have the 4x4 post going down, and then I'm going to have 2x4s crossing like this at the feet. And I'm also going to have the same thing at the top. I'm going to cut a notch in both of the 2x4s so that they sit flush together. So that's 1.5 inches. And then I'm also going to have feet on the end. So that's another 1.5 inches. And then again, I'm going to have a crossing at the top. That's a third set of 1.5 inches. So that means I need to account for the width of the log slice or cookie. I need to account for the 1.5 inch cross members from the cookie to the post. Then I need to account for the cross members on the bottom as well as the feet. So it's 4.5 inches. So accounting for the height of the slice, which I believe is 6 inches, minus 4.5 inches accounting for all the 2x4s, that's 10.5 inches I need to make my post in order to get the height of the coffee table to be 18 inches. Hopefully that made some kind of sense. So it's actually 3.25 inches, plus 1.5 inches for the top cross member, 1.5 inches for the bottom cross member, and 1.5 inches for the feet. So that makes it 7.75 minus 18. Okay, Google, what's 18 minus 7.75? 10.25. Bing. So now we're going to cut the notch for these two pieces to sit together. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going to cut this out so that these can sit together, and I'm just going to make a cut on both of these pieces that is halfway of the depth so that they sit together when they're put together. now finished table. It's rustic, outdoorsy. This is going to be living outside by a fire pit, so it doesn't need to be super pretty, but it works well. As you can see under here, we just added some corner braces here and then connected them to the slab there. So she's all connected and good to go. Cool. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Really appreciate it. If you like it, give this video a like, leave us a comment, let us know what you think. And as always, be sure to subscribe. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.